lalaki dyan na sa gitna.
Oo, anak ka.
Tama? Tama siya?
Alin?
Dyan. Dyan ka pinadingdong. Window. Balik. Yan.
What if sa
dyan. Tapos ako nalang sa harap.
Wait lang, excuse me, di ba?
Eh.
Pag mag-ikot-ikot.
Niligtas mo na sarili mo, coach eh.
Di ba dapat kung mag-ikot-ikot tayo, let's go, volleyball, let's go,
Tapos,
volleyball, let's go,
yeah.
volleyball, let's go,
B.
volleyball, let's
Oh.
go.
Para like yung height is gano'n, pantay. Tapos pinaka-matangkad si Jared.
Kami,
Next
next
ba?
week.
Oh.
Parang singit pa yun.
Tama ba?
Habang inaayos tayo.
Wait lang!
Okay.
May sabihin ako, di ba? Palabas sa'yo. Let's go volleyball, let's go volleyball.
Sige, isipin niyo muna.
Next week, Cardi, next week. Let's go volleyball, let's go volleyball, Cardi.
Oh, wait lang. Nandiyan na tayo mapunta.
Sige.
After na natin na mag-spell ng volleyball. Let's go.
1, 2, 3, go.
Let's
Spell?
spell.
1, 2, 3,
Di ba nakaganyan mo na?
Ano nga yung una?
Ano yung pinakalas mo ang tono dyan? Let's go
I-continue mo
volleyball.
lang.
Go.
Let's go volleyball.
Hindi, wait lang. Magkakapila muna tayo. Pila muna, pila.
Insert,
Ito yung,
insert.
insert muna.
Para yung height.
1, 2, 3, go. Let's go. Ay, ano yan?
Sabi mo na, let's go. Continuous lang until mag-count.
Let's go volleyball.
Let's go volleyball.
You can do it.
You can do it.
Let's go volleyball.
Let's go volleyball.
Carney next week.
Carney next week.
Let's go volleyball.
Let's go volleyball.
Go for 20.
Go for 20.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Let's go for the V.
Oh!
Sorry ulit.
Yung V.
Pag sabi niya, let's go, gano'n na yung mukha natin.
1, 2, 3, go. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's go for the V. Oh! Oil!
Oil!
1, 2, 3, go. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's go for the V. O L L E Y B A L L. Go volleyball! Go!
Oh, yan yung jersey. Bigyan na natin yung name. Paano yung jersey? Kanina yung palakpak.
Tayo lang.
Ano nga
Basta
yung
ito yung
sinabi?
bleachers ha. Ito yung bleachers.
Di ba 8 kung tayo? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sa pabla, sabay-sabay na tayo sa lahat.
Jolly.
Jolly Gwen.
Let's go, let's go, number 1.
JL. Dylan.
Start here.
Wait lang,
Ah,
ate
five.
pala.
Oh, 7 kayo
Yo,
lahat.
ate Dolly. Yo, ate Dolly.
Hindi naman kami nag-ate kay Jolie.
Jolie lang.
Yo, Dolly na lang. Huwag na huwag namang ate-ate ko.
Let's go, number 1.
Oo. Yan, let's go. Ano yung...
Anong tono ka?
Let's go, let's go, number 1. Let's go,
Hindi, jersey number 1. Let's go, Jolie. Jersey
Ako
number
yan,
2.
hindi.
Ano yun?
At
Ikaw yung sisigaw nun.
Ano nakakahiya?
What if tayo lahat pero like yung iba nakaganon na.
Tama!
Tapos ano sasabi?
What if?
Action.
What if
sige.
yung mga babae maganto?
Jersey number 1. Jersey
Oo,
number
nakaganto sila.
Yung sabi ko is like,
Jersey
or hindi mo pa
number
number, ganun lang. For example, let's go,
Jersey.
like jersey number 1, tapos ako mag-action ako na for
Oh,
jersey.
any
And then
for
mali.
Jolie.
And then ikaw for Gwen, you have your own action. You for JP, you have your own action. Pero ganito lang kami. You for Kai, own action. You for JM, own action.
7 pa din.
For Binsoy, for Dylan, own
Ako
action.
kay Jay. Okay, ikaw na bahala.
Hindi ng arte naman natin. Gusto natin umusan.
Sige na, cover yung face first. Okay, go, go,
Okay,
go.
jersey, sige.
Jersey number 1.
Hindi si Ate Just, and everyone would say it, pero Ate Just lang yung my face.
Oo.
1, 2, 3, go.
Jersey number 1, let's go Jolie!
Jersey number 2.
Let's
Go Gwen!
Jersey number 3.
Let's go!
Ikaw yung pinak...
Jersey
Ikaw
number
yung
4.
mas malakas na boses.
Sige.
Lakas boses.
Lakas
Okay.
Jersey
Ulit.
number 3, let's go!
Pero magsasalita si Jan, dapat malakas din yung palakpak. Ikaw lang makakapalakpak sa amin.
Siya yung magsasabing jersey.
Oo.
Okay. Jersey. 1, 2, 3, go!
Jersey number 1.
Let's go, Jolly!
Jersey number 2.
Let's go, Gwen!
Jersey number 3.
Let's go, JP!
Jersey number 4.
Let's go, Kai!
Jersey number 5. Jersey number 6. Let's go, Vincent. Jersey number 7. Let's go, Dylan.
Go!
Go! Volleyball! Ayun na, dito lang na. Babaan nyo na lang. Go! Volleyball! Oh, di, tapos na tayo. Go!
Volleyball! From the top.
Dito lang muna.
Jan, ikaw dito.
Get swift.
One, two, three, go.
Jan,
Nagdamit sequence dyan, ha?
tandaan mo, ikaw na para mag-transition. No dead air gun.
One.
Team basketball, patingin ng
Oh, ayan naman.
Ayan. Oh, sige. Kuya, na malinis.
Isang we can do it.
Yeah, it's one full.
Let's go volleyball.
Let's go volleyball.
Carne next week. Carne next week. Let's go volleyball. Let's go volleyball.
Carne next week.
Carne next week. Let's go volleyball. Let's go volleyball. You can do it. You can do it. Let's go volleyball.
Let's go. Let's go.
Go for 20. Go for 20.
Let's go volleyball.
Let's go volleyball.
Carne next week.
Carne next week.
Let's go volleyball.
Let's go volleyball. Carne next week.
Carne next week.
3, 2, 1, go. Let's go for the V. O N N E Y D A L L.
Jersey number 1.
Jersey number 1.
Let's go, Jolly.
Jersey number 2.
Let's go, Gwen.
Jersey number 3.
Go, JP.
Jersey number 4.
Let's go, Kai.
Jersey number 5.
Let's go, JM!
Jersey number 6. Let's go Vincent. Jersey number 7.
Let's go, may na.
Kuya, pasado po ba kami, kuya?
Okay na yun.
Marami masyadong ikot mo.
Let's go, team volleyball!
Let's go.
Sabay-sabay.
Basta, Jan, ikaw yung guide namin.
Sabay-sabay.
Ikaw yung guide namin.
Sabay, hindi tayo nagsabay kanino.
Ano? Let's go!
Volleyball!
Let's go volleyball or team volleyball?
Ay, team volleyball.
Ano? Volleyball lang?
Volleyball na lang.
Ah, sige.
Let's go volleyball.
Let's
Let's
go.
Let's